In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute emails in Gmail. If you've ever accidentally muted an important conversation or simply decided it's time to let those emails ring through your inbox again, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account in your web browser. Once you're in, look at the search bar that's prominently located at the top of your Gmail page. This search bar is incredibly powerful and can help you find just about anything you need, especially your muted emails. To zero in on those specific conversations, type in "is muted" and hit enter. This simple search command tells Gmail you want to pull up all conversations that have been muted, allowing you to quickly spot the ones you need to unmute. Once the muted emails appear, scan through your list and find the conversation you want to unmute. It may take a moment to find if you have several conversations listed, but remember these are filtered down just to those muted threads. When you've identified the conversation, click on it to open it up. Doing this will bring all the messages in that conversation thread right to your screen, providing a clearer context of what's in that email chain before you proceed with unmuting it. Next, take your eyes to the top of the conversation screen. Here you'll see a menu of icons, each with different functions. You'll be focusing on the More icon, which is represented by 3 vertical dots. This icon is your gateway to additional options for managing your email. Click on the More icon, and a drop-down menu will appear, giving you a few different options to choose from. In that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Unmute. Selecting Unmute essentially tells Gmail you're ready to receive notifications for this conversation whenever new messages appear. With just that one click, the conversation is restored to its normal status, and any new email within that thread will now show up in your inbox as it arrives. And there you have it. You've successfully unmuted a conversation in Gmail, ensuring you'll stay updated on all the latest developments within that conversation thread. This process can be repeated as often as necessary, whether for one email or several. Remember, your inbox is a tool for staying connected, and knowing how to manage notifications effectively helps you make the most out of it. Keep in mind that managing email preferences like muting and unmuting can help you maintain efficiency and focus, so don't hesitate to mute conversations when necessary and unmute when it becomes important. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes navigating your Gmail experience a little bit easier.